Hello guys! We're at the Little Boracay of Siquijor, Paliton Beach. Ang Paliton Beach is the Little Boracay of Siquijor because of its fine white sand and crystal clear water. Sinasabing maganda ang sunset sa Paliton Beach. It is so timely na dumating kami nearing the golden hour. At syempre guys, hindi dapat natin palampasin kung anong mayroon sa Paliton Beach. First, ang swing. O ayan, si Ma'am Michelle. Kahit may konting kaba, go pa rin for photo and of course, for experience. And for a friendly price, may human drone ka pa to document the moment. Habang ang iba ay nagsiswing, ang iba naman go for a refreshment.
Fresh po. Nag-eyeglass. Diin ka mo nag-order?
Here's the beautiful Ma'am Yula. Ang taas pero nakasmile pa rin. Si Mr. Drone, go pa rin ang go. Here comes Ma'am Lanidel for the experience and of course, for photo. Baka iba sa inyo dyan, magtanong naman, nasan kami ni Ma'am Jo? Huwag nyo nang hanapin, alam nyo na sagot. Ito kami sa gilid, supportive. Kahit na hindi kami nakasakay, at least naghihintay kami sa kanila. Nagtitake pa ng picture. Iba talaga pag bigatin ka. While others here are waiting for their turn. Go, Ma'am Susette! Here comes Sir Richard. Kudos naman sa ating human drone. Kanina pa yan pero di nawawala ng energy. It's Ma'am Ronelie's turn. And of course, di magpapahuli si Sir Melvin. Ang saya talaga dito. Nakakakaba, pero that's what makes the experience more memorable. At of course, hindi kumpleto ang aming Siquijor experience kung hindi kami magpa-picture with a broomstick.
1, 2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3,
Diba? At medyo madilim na nga ito. Aliw na aliw ang lahat sa broomstick photo op, ngunit gabi na kailangan ng umalis. On our way back, nadaanan namin ang mga souvenir stools. So stop over muna para sa mga souvenirs. May t-shirts, may keychains, may ref magnets at iba pa. At pagkatapos nga namin bumili, ito na nga, babalik na kami sa aming sasakyan. Ang ganda naman ng Siquijor during the night. And now we are on our way back to our inn. But guess where we ended up? We ended up at the one and only Jollibee here at Siquijor. After the swing and beautiful sunset, Jollibee talagang ending. Chicken Joy for the win! At dito namin tinapos ang araw. Masaya, busog at punong-puno ng memories. Thank you for joining us in this beautiful adventure. See you next time. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. This is Rain's Chronicle. Bye!